We are drawn to the sea, moved by its ever-changing shapes, the feelings it evokes, a constant force that ebbs and flows. Yet its relentless power, when harnessed, enables us to create something unique and truly special. The ocean has an energy that drives us to accomplish great things, to not only act, but to push the very boundaries that confine others. Part of being alive are the experiences that make your heart race and your soul sing. Our shared experiences have the power to elate today and create the memories of tomorrow. Sunseeker, a name recognized, respected, and revered the world over. Known for bold new creations that push boundaries and exceed expectations. A company that dares to dream. Over the decades that Sunseeker have been designing and building their distinctive craft, they have evolved from being a brand into a true icon. To own a Sunseeker has become an aspiration for many, and for some, an obsession. It's a vision that started in 1969 when the Hostess 17 was born, a small open speedboat that changed everything. Born out of the Braithwaite brothers' passion for design and a desire to win, they saw early success racing powerboats. But over the following 50 years, Sunseeker has gone on to become one of the most recognizable brands in the world, continuing to build on its reputation for innovation, style, and performance. A few years ago, I joined the team at the London Boat Show for a typically joyous launch. And like the many others who've been lucky enough to take part in these celebrations over the years, I quickly realized that this company is far more than a boat builder. It's a family. And since then, I've spent time here in Poole getting afloat as often as I can. Well, it would be rude not to. And when Sunseeker invited me to come and see all 5 of their new models together for the very first time, it was an offer I couldn't refuse. We've got some amazing footage to show you of these astonishing boats in action. In fact, it's a world premiere. These yachts are Sunseeker's highest expression of design, innovation, engineering, and quality. And a shared pride is taken by every single one of its highly skilled employees. Starting with the Manhattan 55, a spacious flybridge model based on the fastest-selling Sunseeker of all time, exemplifying the latest in Sunseeker's exceptional design capabilities. This yacht has been meticulously designed to enhance comfort and cruising, whilst providing owners with a vast array of social spaces, usually only seen in larger yachts. The layout of the main deck makes this the perfect boat for entertaining and socializing in style. With a strong focus on ambient lighting and sumptuous interior detailing, utilizing all new upholstery that provides a contemporary look, undeniably a Manhattan. From the generous saloon and aft galley, which opens to the cockpit, through to social companion seating opposite the helm, this exceptional layout allows owner and guests to move effortlessly between entertaining spaces. They have indeed perfected perfection with this practical and stylish balance of luxury, form, and function. The Predator 55 Evo is a technology-led, cutting-edge Sunseeker model purposefully engineered to make the heart race. The evolutionary design is immediately emphasized in its superstructure with newly appointed stainless steel and carbon fiber cowlings, helping to draw the eye to her iconic Predator lines. The spacious cockpit allows for even more outdoor space for those on board to enjoy, whilst an enhanced bathing platform design and integrated garage provides easy launching for the tender. Whilst yet another technological innovation is the boat's hydro pack, which utilizes a fly-by-wire steering system and independent rudders for exceptional agility. This dynamic boat exudes luxe minimalism with ultra-modern interior spaces and performance that really excites, all matched to a stunning exterior profile that even stationary will take your breath away. The all-new 65 Sport Yacht is a tour de force, showcasing the revolutionary design philosophy of next-generation Sunseeker models. This new yacht underlines the brand's commitment to bringing even more exciting new products to market. Embodying the latest design and technological build processes that are synonymous with Sunseeker, the Yacht is fundamentally different from the current range in the 60-foot segment due to its sculptured exterior design, innovative helm concept, and stylish interior appointments. Her sleek exterior profile, with an almost invisible minimalist bridge deck, has been enhanced by the addition of rakish hull glazing, emphasizing her modern sporting prowess whilst increasing natural light into the lower deck spaces. Delivering immense power and agility, its innovative sports bridge houses a revolutionary sky helm to deliver a supercar driving experience like nothing else in the market. Featuring twin bolstered seats set very low on either side of a central console, the instrumentation is courtesy of a state-of-the-art glass bridge plotter, complete with retro chrome dials housing LED displays. The 65 Sport Yacht embodies a new level of dynamism and excitement that is frankly unparalleled. The driving experience is one of pure euphoria. Elegance, opulence, refinement, and silence is everything you can expect when experiencing the 88 Yacht. She has some of the most elegant exterior lines ever to grace a Sunseeker. The Yacht is testament to both style and substance, standing out in any marina around the world. The Beach Club transforms the area into a private outdoor sanctuary, complete with its innovative Extend sunbed that converts to face aft at water level or raised to face forward into the cockpit. The main deck is nothing short of spectacular. Inside, there's a large forward galley newly positioned alongside the comprehensive helm station. Flooded with natural light, the galley's position maximizes the owner's open-plan entertaining space. The interior exudes sophistication and has clever design cues throughout that make the yacht, well, breathtaking. The layering of textural elements and the mix of furnishings and fabrics feels timeless, with a modern twist that oozes style and elegance. Incorporating innovative design, technology, and engineering firsts matched to opulent interior finishes, this yacht is nothing short of remarkable. The 88 Yacht really does have a luxury super yacht feel, with the practicalities of a smaller model and an ability to cruise for what seems like forever. Illuminate the ocean everywhere she takes you on board the luxurious new 90 Ocean. Bringing you closer to the water than ever before, its immense beach club, incredible volume and sheer flexibility will amaze you. This yacht, more than any other, breaks new boundaries to create a spectacular yacht that boasts a 20% increase in overall volume and nearly 30% more deck space, thanks not only to her substantial beam, but her upright bow that creates a brand new Sunseeker silhouette. Keen to showcase the fresh design direction of Sunseeker's next generation of larger models, the exterior lines of this new yacht are revolutionary, allowing the Beach Club to become an even more impressive space. This spacious deck, measuring over 6 meters by 4 meters, is perfect for launching a fleet of water toys or partying close to the water. It is, after all, what boating is all about. Meanwhile, the foredeck provides another vast entertainment space, with 360-degree seating plus central sun pads with electrically adjustable backrests, protected by a sail canopy or parasols. Later in the day, the foredeck can transform into an open-air cinema with laser projector and a 140-inch screen, whilst mood-lit teak tables will no doubt capture the imagination of guests. The unique main deck, penthouse-style saloon, and luxurious staterooms offer a newfound design direction, providing elegant interiors to enchant any owner. The 90 Ocean will surprise and delight at every turn. Each element has been carefully considered in meticulous detail, exuding a refinement hitherto only found in custom super yachts. This is a Sunseeker that defines an entirely new range. Be prepared to be dazzled. Sunseeker is so much more than a brand, more than a company. It is a global family. They don't just build boats, they build dreams. And it's why we're here today, to celebrate 5 incredible new models. Christopher Columbus said, "You can never cross the ocean until you have the courage to lose sight of the shore." Sunseeker's relentless pursuit to innovate can never be quashed. In fact, it has never been more alive. Introducing the Sunseeker Famous 5.
Sunseeker Famous 5. Sunseeker Famous 5, this is Sunseeker HQ. Prepare vessels for formation. You are clear for launch.
You with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but still I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me?